One day more, another day, another destiny. Brian, do you like Les Miserables?
Fine.
It's fine. It is a wonderful piece of art. One of my favorites. Another day, another destiny. Never-ending road to Calvary. And, art of the shop. Rightio. This will be a good one. I've got actually a couple hours planned today of reviews of stock. And the one...
Mortimer, Chester, Conus, I have been watching the YouTube, and you, sir, are fired.
How dare you!
I regret to inform you that Mr. Conus has been relieved of his tenure. He has been using university funds to commit slander upon this great institution on the internet. I would like to apologize to anyone who has viewed this despicable slander. Thank you. That will be all. You, sir.
Yes.
Brendan?
That's Brian.
Brian? You're fired. Good day to you. Never in all of my years.